talk about some of the products, including some of their new products on the market today. Jeremy, I'm going to kind of touch base on what you got right there in front of you.
So this is our picks that came out a few years ago. What this does is your Glock drops to the side. So now you've got a carbine. 1, 2, 3 mags, side charging, side folding, AR style safety. How does it drop in? Easy. Take this front piece off, no tools. 1, 2, 3.
Look at that.
There you go. That's awesome. Charging handle just slips on the back. Works on 9mm and 40 cal double stack Glocks, except the 26 and 27 little baby ones. Close it up. 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's a pound and a half to your rifle. To your pistol, excuse me. It's made of glass reinforced polymer. Everything is designed, developed, manufactured in Israel, no Chinese parts. Now, new for this year, we've got the S Pro. Push button, extendable stock. Yeah. 3 different position cheek rests. Comes with a brace, and it comes to the left and the right in the box. Industry first on that.
Nice.
Side charging, M-lock, super thick, 3mm thick stainless steel optic mount right there. Sling mount, pick rail, of course, extra mag. Here's the cool thing. 1, 2.
2 steps to get that up.
Now, this works on Glock, double stack, 9 and 40s, but change these adapters out. Now you can run it on mechanics and with both our PCC.
Nice.
And we've got more adapters coming out all the time, so make sure you join our mailing list and get up to date on all those adapters.
What a great product. And it's so simple, too. No tools or nothing.
No tools or anything. And then our very first product that we came out with on the chassis side of things was the 2020 that came out in 2020. So, yeah, an extra mag in the front, mag in the gun, 2 mags, charging handle, literally a rack with 1 finger.
I like that.
Side folding, and it fits in the holster.
Now, where's the holster come from? Is that you guys also?
The holster is us as well. There's a lot of people trying to duplicate this and rip us off, but we are the original. We have the patent on it. The Recover Tactical, if it doesn't say Recover, it's fake. Holster's cool. What it does is it allows you to run any light laser, change it out, threaded barrels, pumps, and compressors, and everything.
Without having to change anything.
Check it out. Works on more than just Glocks. If it's got a rail, this piece attaches to. If it's a full size, it doesn't work on thin. On full size gun, it attaches to the rail. Then you can just run it like that.
That's so amazing. Awesome. Man, Recover Tactical, you guys really got to check them out. Look at the new products, look at the original products, man. But definitely give them a holler. And we're here at GunCon 25, checking them out. Appreciate it, son. Thank you so much.